Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic that every JavaScript developer should understand: ECMAScript, often abbreviated as ES and specifically ES6. ECMAScript is a standard for scripting languages, such as JavaScript. Think of it like a blueprint or a guide. It outlines the features, functionalities, and syntax that a scripting language should have. JavaScript is a programming language that follows this blueprint. When you hear someone say ES5, ES6, ES7, and so forth, they are referring to versions of the ECMAScript standard. Each version brings new features and improvements over the previous ones. Today, we are going to focus on ES6. It's a major update to the standard that brought many new features to JavaScript, making the language more powerful and easier to work with. Now let's quickly highlight some of the more impactful features. One of them are arrow functions, a new way to write functions in JavaScript. On the left you can see a traditional function, and on the right you can see the declaration of an arrow function. ES6 also introduced two new ways to declare variables: let and const. These provide block-level scoping, which is a more intuitive and safe way to declare variables. As you know, let is used for variables that can be reassigned, and const is used for variables that should not be reassigned. Before ES6, programmers declared variables using the var keyword, which has a couple downsides that we are going to discuss in another video. Other features include template literals, which allow you to embed expressions and create multi-line strings much more easily. You can see a variable name with the value Alice, and then the syntax to embed the expression directly into the string. Another great feature is default parameters for functions. You can observe that we call the function greet without providing the name parameter, and that's because it has a default value, which is world. Inside the function, we also use template literals, allowing us to print a simpler string. So ES6 played a huge role in the development of JavaScript, and is definitely something you should know about.